Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the place where classic style meets modern curiosity. Today we're diving into something that turns heads for an unexpected reason, the so-called 1955 Chevrolet Camaro. Now, every car enthusiast knows the Camaro line didn't actually debut until the late 1960s, but enthusiasts and restorers have created custom builds that blend the iconic 1955 Chevy design language with modern Camaro-inspired performance. What we're reviewing today is one of those rare Restomod interpretations, built in the spirit of the 1955 Chevrolet era while carrying the soul of a Camaro. So let's get into how this unique machine performs, how it looks after its latest exterior updates, what kind of speed and fuel figures you can expect, and how much you need to pay to bring a masterpiece like this home. From the moment you walk up to this car, you feel the charm of 1955 styling with sharper, more aggressive Camaro cues. The exterior update focuses on bringing modern aerodynamics to retro lines. The iconic mid-50s chrome accents remain, but they've been refinished with a darker brushed metal look that gives a contemporary feel without erasing the vintage character. The front fascia has been redesigned with a sleeker, lower grille and integrated LED lighting that still respects the original Chevy silhouette. The dual round headlights retain their nostalgic shape, but the new LED halos give them a crisp, modern glow. Along the sides, you see a subtle reshaping of the fenders, allowing for wider wheels that enhance stance and grip. Updated 18 or 20-inch alloys fill the arches, giving the car a strong road presence. The rear carries the biggest transformation: sharper tail contours and smoked LED taillights that mimic newer Camaro-style patterns. The chrome bumper has been trimmed inward, creating a cleaner finish while still preserving that unmistakable 1950s spirit. Altogether, the exterior update strikes a balance, classic enough to make collectors smile and modern enough to feel fresh on today's roads. Now, the performance under the hood is where this build truly earns the Camaro influence. Instead of the original small block V8 from the 1955 era, the Restomod incorporates a modern performance crate engine, often an LS Series 5.8 or something equivalent in the 400 to 500 horsepower range. That gives this custom 1955 Camaro-inspired machine a completely different personality. Acceleration is sharp, responsive, and far beyond anything the mid-50s original could deliver. The updated suspension system, usually an independent front and upgraded rear setup, helps keep the car stable at high speeds. Brakes have also been modernized, typically with disc systems at all four corners, making the driving experience safer and more confident. With this kind of build, maximum speed varies depending on the exact engine configuration, but most setups easily push past 140 to 160 miles per hour. That's well above what a classic 1955 Chevy was ever designed to do, making this a true fusion of old-school design and modern Camaro-level performance. It feels aggressive on the throttle, planted through corners, and surprisingly refined at cruising speeds thanks to updated drivetrain components. As for fuel average, no one chooses a custom performance Restomod for efficiency, but for those who are curious, the numbers usually fall somewhere around 10 to 16 miles per gallon, depending on driving style and engine setup. A lighter foot on the gas keeps you closer to the higher end, while spirited driving drops you into the lower range pretty quickly. Now let's talk price. Because this isn't a factory model and every build differs, the cost depends heavily on craftsmanship, components, and restoration quality. A project like this typically starts around $70,000 for a basic Restomod and can climb well past $120,000 for high-end performance versions with premium materials and custom detailing. Some meticulously built show-quality models even reach $150,000 or more. That wraps up today's deep dive into the reimagined 1955 Chevrolet Camaro. A blend of two eras brought together by creativity, engineering, and pure automotive passion. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you love classic machines with modern twists, stick around, because there's plenty more coming your way.